O to trea tining r. Tining r afflict many people at some point. The condition a su shawi the variety of cause tai often are to pinpoint we your might be falling out. Medication or the medical treatment might be useful for dealing with the underlying cause, but harmonizing you can do on your own to treat tining r, no matter what causing it. Ce step en ambition to lire no to treat tining r. Finding the underlying cause. If hormonal cause are rappelé. The most common cause of thinning hair for both men and women is hereditary condition in which sex hormone cause hair to fall out in a particular pattern. While male or female pattern baldness is permanent, there are certainly measures you can take to slow it down and treat it. 1. Some hormonal fluctuation lead to impermanent hair loss. Women WHO are pregnant. Have discontinued birth control, or are going through menopause my experience temporary hair thinning. Handling it urgently, using all natural hair product and changing your hairstyle can help slow the progression of hormone-related thinning. Determine if a medical condition. Certain medical conditions can cause hair loss. Treating these conditions can help slow or alter loss. If you are concerned you may have one of the following conditions, talk to your doctor about starting a treatment program so your hair will start growing back in. 2. Thyroid issue. When your thyroid isn't working properly, you might notice more hair falling out than usual. Scalp infection and skin disorder. Hair loss might result from a skin condition like ringworm. Treating tissue can help the hair grow back. Alopecia areata. A disorder in which the body immune system actually attack hair follicle. Check your medication. Certain medication lead to hair loss. If you're on a medication that list hair loss acid effect, you can discuss the option with your doctor. It may not be possible to switch to another medication, but you are looking into. Drug use to treat the following conditions commonly lead to hair thinning. Cancer. Dépression. Ear problem. Arthritis. High blood pressure. Figure out if stress it culprit. Hair loss can result from physical or mental shock avec la ongoing stress. En type of shock to the system is going to have a physical effect, en hair loss is a common occurrence when the condition are rappelé. If you're chronically stressed, dealing the cause of your stress is an important way to keep yourself in good physical condition. Boosting hair growth. Use gentle hair product. When you notice your hair thinning, making the switch to all natural, gentle hair product is a good idea. Many shampoo, conditioner, hairspray en haute product contain chemical that are on te scalp en hair en can speed du hair loss en damage te hair talent. Use shampoo ta 2 et 1 contain sulfate or en type of alcohol. Tes ingrédients are very drying and damaging to hair. Look for conditioner ta 2 et 1 contain silicone. Tes évêques donne te hair en require sulfate shampoo to rinse out. Look in health food store for hair styling product made with natural ingredient. Comb instead of brushing. Brushing your hair tend to pull more of it out, especially when you brush your hair really wet. Gentlest way to get the tangle out is by using a weed to the comb. Start near the tip of your hair, combine out the tangle at the bottom first, and work your way up to the root. Let it air dry. To keep from pulling out the much hair after your shower, pat it gently with a soft towel, don't wring it out or towel it ugly. Let it air dry instead of using a hair dryer, since it from a hair dryer can cause hair to dry out and break. Letting your hair air dry often as possible will help promote new hair growth. It free styling technique. Allons te some line, avoid using curling iron, straightening iron, or an IoT type of haute styling tool to style your hair. Try embracing your natural hair texture en leaving it alone whenever possible. When you do use it styling tool, use the lowest, coolest setting you can. There are plenty of way to style your hair with it. Experiment with different way to cure or straighten your hair and find out a method work for you. Avoir der style tapulon jurer. Tight bread, vive, en haut tepul backer style quand causer tout pul out morezili. Triviring jurer don or pul back loosely. Avoir der élastique en barrette tamait tugon jurer. Assage your scalp with a nutritional oblique egg or allemand / mustar / coconu / jojoba ol. It is a massaging your scalp can stimulate air growth by increasing circulation around your hair follicle. Star making a hobby of massaging your scalp while you're in the show. Plast pad of your finger on your scalp en rub your scalp in a circular motion. Star near your forehead en make your way along the side en back of your head, concentrating in areata artining. Considering a air growth treatment. The most popular air growth treatment minoxidil. It come in the form of a cream or femme taille appliée toute scalp twice a day, en it contact up to 12 weeks to start working. Manipe up l'experience some growth with minoxidil. There are health risks associated with minoxidil, outlineables of that you should be aware of. Autre option include the following. Hair transplant. Hair are transplanted from an area of your scalp with tigrot tout areata artining. Scalp surgery. Bald spots are surgically removed, en incision y closed up with hair covered scalp on acid. Making life style change. Lower your stress. Since ban stress out can cause hair loss, taking a measure to decrease your stress level might help to slow it down. If you like stress leaf, treat following a measure to calm down on a daily basis. Get more sleep. Lack of sleep cause your body to produce the stress hormone cortisol. Exercise frequently. Try meditating or yoga. Eat more protein. Ion of the building block of your hair, and if you are getting en nous, hair loss can occur. Tining ri comment à mon végétarien en vegan who are taking in en nous protein. Try eating more of the following food. Fish, chicken, beef and pork. Black ban, chickpea and légumes. Tofu. Dairy product. Yat omega-3s. The body need omega-3 fatty acid to create new hair. Getting plenty of omega-3s is essential for hair growth, so try stepping up your intake of the following food. Salmon. Sardine. Walnut. Avocado. Take biotin supplement. Biotin IAB vitamin found in animal product tally to healthier, skin on eye. 3. Biotin supplement are often marketed a hair growth supplement for irrigation. Take biotin supplement are recommended or increase your intake of food containing biotin, like live en otemi product avec a walnut en leafy green. Warning. Do no skip medication tar prescribed to help treating hair. You will need to take them regularly and a prescribed in order to achieve the best result in hair regrowth. If your medication are causing your thinning hair, do not stop taking them. Instead, discuss alternative medication with your doctor. Certains medications are prescribed for hair loss should not be taken by women because of potential health risk. Do not take any medication if they are not prescribed specifically for you by your doctor. When figuring out the best way to treat thinning hair, do not become discouraged if the method you try. Instead, talk to your doctor about the options such as hair transplant or laser hair treatment. You can also ask your stylist about hair piece and wig.